Hi everyone, just here to unbox DJI's Action 5 Pro. This is the Adventure Combo bundle, which you can see there. So yeah, I haven't read a lot about this, so I'm not really that sure what's in the pack. 2 batteries, I believe, well actually it tells you here, extension rod, batteries and battery case, plus obviously the Action 5. So yeah, let's open it up and start to have a look. Get that out of the way. Actually, it's quite heavy, the box. I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy actually. What do we got? Okay, it's another here. I'll just cut that open. Oh, okay, supposed to pull it off. Alright, fair enough. What now? Open up here? Yeah, okay. So in the box you get 2 other boxes and straighten this up. 2 other boxes and a handle or an extension. I'll go backwards, so we'll start off with some of these accessories. I'm not sure whether I'll use this or not, but anyway. Looks like I've got a quarter mounting hole in the bottom. Put an Arca plate or attach it to your tripod, whatever. And action camera head on the top. Okay, I'll just sit that there out of the way. Okay, so we'll check the other accessories first. So in this box we have okay, so a link to the app. That's probably for for light cut, maybe for some other app as well. Put that over there. What's this? This just looks like a little book, probably instruction booklet. So you get an instruction booklet, USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so this is looks like a magnetic mount of some kind, or a mount. Yeah, so that's a quick mount to action camera, that type of setup. Okay. And then this is the battery holder and charger by the look of it. Yeah, it looks quite neat. This is quite thin. Okay, so it's got 3 1950 milliamp hour batteries in there. Okay. Now I don't know all the features of this, so I don't know whether you can use this as a power supply as well, but USB-C obviously to charge it up, and a button to check whether it's charged. Not sure what other functions that button may have, but that's that. Okay, so then we have the camera box, which has has 2 things. It has the camera, okay, so that's the camera itself. This is a protective cover. Okay, I can leave that on for now, or I'll just take that off. Quite a large screen on there. It's taken up most of the back. Okay, this is where the action camera mount will go. Actually, yeah, it is magnetic as well, so it is a magnetic mount. Okay, USB-C in here. I'm trying to see if the and then the last thing that you get is okay, so it's got another mount of some kind here. I'll check that out in a second. But you've got a cover. Okay, so it's a protective cover to protect the edges. It's probably not really going to protect the screen much, but and a couple of screws to suit the mounts. Let's have a look at what this mount is. Okay, so it's got a sticky mount and another mount here. Now, perhaps those mounts are different. I don't know. Let's have a look. No, they're exactly the same. So you got two mounts. That's handy, I suppose. Probably can leave one on the cover here for doing vertical, I suppose. And this one is, you can only do horizontal. Okay. Well, you can access the horizontal one, or the landscape one. You can access when the cover's on, obviously. Goes in this way. So you'll be able to access the bottom there, and the vertical one will access from the outside. So that's what you get in the kit. I'm going to have a look at how the battery and everything goes into this. I won't record while I'm doing that, and then I'll come back. Okay, just back. Just have to do a couple of things. I'll move some of these things out of the way. Try and tidy this up a bit. Put this up here. Okay. So I just went and got a card as well. So just going to actually, so to open the camera, you press down on that and slide it up and then lift it. That will open it up. So SD card will go in there. And let's make sure that's, seems like it's, yeah, it went in pretty easy. So SD card, then get one battery, and battery goes in that way, just clips in. Pretty straightforward. Close. Okay, now it should start up. I won't run through a whole startup procedure with an unboxing. I'll just see if it'll start quickly. Okay, so yeah, the Mimo, I'll have to connect with the Mimo app. So I've got the Mimo app being used at the moment. So I won't go any further than that. I can go through settings and turning it on in another video, but that's the unboxing. I suppose what I will do is just open this up. We should be able to get this in here. Yeah, okay, so that'll just slide in. It's pretty simple. Looks, let's see if everything fits okay. Yeah, that'll clip on. So there's your finished action camera. We'll turn that off. No, it's not going to turn off. Okay, turn it off there. So I pressed record instead of turning it off. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's the unboxing. That's what you get inside the Adventure Combo Bundle. So yeah, battery charger, 3 batteries, the protector case, the actual camera, the Action Pro, 2 quick release mounts, and an extendable pole. Don't know how far it extends, but you can look that up. I'm not going to bother because I won't be using it. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.